Hello everyone. Today, the students of 5th and 7th standard of Nav Bharat High School shall be demonstrating a technique of hand washing according to the World Health Organization guidelines. Let's begin. Open the tap. Wet your hands with clean running water. Apply soap gently. Rub your hands to form a good quantity of foam. Then rub right palm over the back of left hand with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Rub the back of your fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Repeat this action for the second hand. Rub rotationally left thumb collapsed in right palm. And vice versa. To clean the tips of fingers, rub rotationally backward and forward with collapsed fingers of right hand on left palm. And vice versa. Rinse your hands with clean running water. Turn off the tap. Dry hands with a towel. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.